Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Tuesday Trading for Living live session. We are about 3 hours into the trade now, and whatever initial up move we saw in the morning is already being given up. This is the chart for Nifty today. Opened at 17,916. From there on went up to 18,077, and from there on it has started coming back, and looks like the initial up move is getting fizzled out, and maybe Nifty and many other stocks might close in the red today as well. So this is the ongoing chart, currently trading at 18,015. This is Nifty futures. Nifty spot is currently trading at 17,971. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty, also looking slightly weak. Initially it opened at 42,150, from there on went up to 42,489, and now back to the opening lows of 42,151. In case if it cuts 42,151, which it might in next few minutes. So currently trading at 180, you can see the red line there at 42,151, and if it starts trading below the opening low of 42,151, then Bank Nifty is headed south for the day. So this is the initial setup. We are about 3 hours into the trade, and opening setup looks like little bit on the weaker side, and banking stocks are leading the fall on the downside. We will quickly look into some of the banking stocks. You can see here Bank Nifty almost coming to the opening day's low. It opened at 42,121. So this is Bank Nifty. We'll quickly look into some of the banking stocks, because looks like banking stocks are giving up the initial movement. This is Axis Bank. Now very same story like Bank Index. Opened at 910, went up to 922, now coming back to the opening day's low. So currently trading at 914. Bajaj Finserv was a sell at 1383, has already come down to 1368. Well, Bajaj Finserv from the highs of 1422 yesterday has been in the continuous downfall since yesterday opening session. Yesterday evening also by 3:30 it had closed on the lower side. It opens lower again today and continuously keeps going down. This is Bajaj Finserv for you. Bajaj Finance opened at 6,016 and now trading at 5,979. Watch out for 5,950 levels. If it cuts 5,950, then there is a sell, but the buying is only above 6,084. Bandhan Bank also going down, opened at 241, and from there on it has been on the one side, currently trading at the day's low of 237. Bank of Baroda, big fall at 185.20. This was one major support which has been given up. You can see here since yesterday's high of 188.80, from there on it has been continuously falling, and today in just one candle with very good volumes it has already fallen from 185 to 181, and unusually huge volume is going on in Bank of Baroda. We don't know the reasons for these things, but technical charts are clear. You can see here there was a kind of support at 185. This is the breakout level for Bank of Baroda, and once it hits the breakout level with great volumes, it has already fallen. Let us see Canara Bank. Canara Bank has some support at 317. It has come below the support of 317. You can see one big candle with very big volume. All the banking stocks, especially the PSUs, are being traded with very high volumes. You can see very unusual volume of about 5 million shares, which is 50 lakhs shares being traded in one single candle. Quite unusual for the recent times. Canara Bank having support at 317, but looks like if the overall banking stocks are going down, then this support may not be held back, and it is better we stay away from the pullback trades on big fall with volumes stocks. So this is Canara Bank, opened at 326, had a support at 370, 317. Let us see if it can hold the support or will it go further down. Let us look into the private sector banks. HDFC on the other hand is trading on the higher side. You can see the weakness is only in PSU banks. Let us see SBI. This is the chart of SBI. Also had a breakout level of 601. From 601 very quickly in just less than 2-3 candles it has fallen to 592 levels. Opened the day at 607, but this initial first 4 candles of up move was not sustained. It found a resistance of 607.95. It didn't even touch 607.95. At 607.45 it started falling and cut morning's low of 602. From there on it has been relentlessly falling. So this is the chart of SBI. Most of the PSU banks are on the run. So this is, let us see some of the private sector banks. HDFC doing well, opened at 1583, now trading at 1612. In spite of Bank Nifty being weak, in spite of public sector banks being weak, HDFC Bank is bucking the trend and is going up. ICICI Bank also is falling along with the PSUs. Well, it opened at around 870 levels. From there on it has been hovering in the sideways and it had a sell level marked at 864. This happens to be the breakout level, happens to be the opening candle low, and from there on it is continuously going down now. Currently trading at 864, has made a low of 861. Let us see Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank has been in the sideways movement yesterday and also is in the sideways movement today. This stock we have observed generally it is going against the Bank Nifty index. So be careful when you trade Kotak Bank for intraday. All these stocks that we are seeing are for intraday purposes. This is the chart of IndusInd Bank, nothing much happening there. If you see stock trading about 1242, then you can go long in this particular stock. This is not weak as of now. You can see for last 3-4 days it has been on the up move. You can see here from 12th of Jan it has started moving higher. It moved up for 2.5 days and yesterday it was remaining kind of sideways movement, and today it has shown one small fall, but it might again pick up, and if it goes higher and if Bank Nifty and other banking stocks support, then this stock might cross 1242 and there might be one more buying there. So this is with respect to the banking sector. Let us see the pharma. Apollo Hospital currently trading at 4284 is in an uptrend, but it might give up the uptrend today. Oro Pharma also is in an uptrend, but today it has been on the intraday chart it has been continuously moving down from the open at 447. From there on it has been moving lower and currently trading at 440. What's happening in Biocon? Biocon, not much trade available there. The first candle high has been at 251.75. From there on it has come down to 248. You would say there is kind of very low movement. There is one big candle here for buying. Cipla also not much trades available. Opened at 1052, went up to 1064, now currently trading in the sideways at around 1060. Divi's Lab opens at 3326, goes to 3363, very narrow movement, very small candles and absolutely no volume yesterday and today. You can see the volumes have been totally drying up, so you can stay away from such stocks for intraday at least. Dr. Reddy also not much happening there, currently trading at 4335, not much volumes to back up the trades. Glenmark is falling from the breakout level of 416. Well, most of the pharma stocks also are showing not much potential on the upside and not much potential on the downside also, except for one or two stocks. Lalpath Labs currently trading at 2127. Sun Pharma currently trading at 1031. It is in an uptrend but very choppy and sideways. It is currently in the uptrend but it is in a very choppy movement. So watch out for the levels. The breakout level happens to be at 1028. So this is with respect to banking stocks. Well, let us go back to the bank index, which was almost on the verge of breakdown. Let us see what's happening there. It has just touched 153. It has made a low of 143 and now trading towards the lows. Well, from here on, will it be a buy or a sell? Mostly Bank Nifty might go further down and it might end in the red today. Watch out for the revised levels to go long. And if you have to initiate any trade in Bank Nifty, if you have to initiate any trade in options, then it would be buying a put or selling a call. So that would be your options trade. I have not seen the options data today, but looks like based on the futures chart, there is trade going on in Bank Nifty on the sell side. So this is Bank Nifty for you. Nifty still far off from the intraday sell level of 17,886, now quoting at 18,006. Watch out for revised levels if any, but as of now no trade emerging in Nifty. At least it is in between, or it is stuck between 18,097 and 17,886. So this is with respect to Nifty. Well, if you are liking the content that we are providing on Trading for Living live sessions, do subscribe to our channel and share the channel to as many traders as possible. Let them see the chart and understand how to prepare a setup. It's important for a trader to put a unique setup which will help him in trading any stock for that particular day. In fact, we teach you on how to establish the trend setups, how to do the risk management, how to do the money management, how to do the position sizing. If you have to do options trading, then what exactly you have to do in options trading, how do you identify the trends in options, and all of those things. So if you are liking the content, do share and subscribe. I hope today you'll have a good profitable day. We will once again meet tomorrow with revised levels. Today happens to be the Fin Nifty expiry. Tuesday is generally the Fin Nifty expiry, but we are not looking into that chart because there is not much volumes there. So that's it for now. Have a good day. Let us meet once again tomorrow. Until then, Om Swasti.